Can we skip to the good part?
No, what is it?
Tornadic activity. Take a look at that. We're good there? You see that? Okay, just checking.
Tornadoes are in Travis.
1, 2 warnings affecting Williamson County, affecting Travis County, affecting Hayes County. And let me show you where they are. There's your tornado warning. This is your tornado warning. This here for northern Hayes County, tornado warning. Caldwell County, you're under the warning. And this is going to get you in Fayette. This is going to get you in Bastrop here.
Oh my God.
So,